Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to unhide sheets in Microsoft Excel. So, right click on this bottom bar on any worksheet. So here you will see some options like insert, delete, rename. So to unhide, click here. So here you will see a list of hidden worksheet. To unhide any worksheet, just select that one, then click on OK. So in just a few steps we can unhide any worksheet on Excel. Right click on it and just select it, unhide and select. Unhide one or more sheets. Press Ctrl and Shift. Click more sheets. If you have the multiple hidden sheets, so press and Ctrl and select. Then click on OK. So we can see we have about 8 worksheets and all are hidden. Right click on it and once you click on hide, so select all sheets and hide. So thanks for watching guys. This is the video to learn how to unhide worksheet in Excel. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist in description. You will find quick and easy Excel learning video tutorials.